All right, sorry about that, guys. My last video froze on me, so let's go ahead and continue off. Yeah, I wrote my equation of my function, and then now domain and range. Well, we don't need to know our equation to write the domain and range, right? It's just right there. The lowest my graph goes is we'd say 2. Highest my graph goes. Once again, this does not stop going up, so infinity. Oops, I apologize. Domain range, left and right. So let's put that there. That's our range. I apologize. The furthest left my graph goes. Now we're talking about domain. Furthest left my graph goes is 3. The furthest right my graph goes does not stop going to the right, so infinity. And our range is 2, comma, infinity, right? All right, equation. Let's look at this. My equation, my transformations. I always like to write my transformations out in order to put that into my equation. So we're going to go ahead and reflect down. We are going to go to the left. Let's see, that'd be 7. Left 7. And then we're going to go down 3. And then let's check if it vertically stretches, right? So it's reflecting down. So usually we would go across one and then down one. Yeah, that's exactly what we did, right? Across one, down one, right? Since it's reflected down, yeah, we'd have to go down one. So yeah, across one, down one. So no vertical stretch, right? So now just putting this into our equation, f of x is equal to, well, we don't have an a value. I apologize, we do. We do have an a value. It's -1. We reflect down minus square root of, well, we go to the left 7, so instead of -7, right, we think of opposite, so x plus 7. And then down 3, we're going to subtract 3. Our domain here is, let's see, the furthest left our graph goes is -7. This does not stop going to the right, so we say infinity. Our range here, the lowest our graph goes, once again, does not stop going down, so we say -infinity. The highest our graph goes is at negative, what is that, -3. All right, last question. Question number 7. This one definitely looks like it vertically stretches, right? So let's try to think of how much it stretches. So we go across one. So once again, usually we would go, let me just try to zoom in here. Usually we'd go across one, up one. But now we go across one, up, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Right? We go across one, up 3. So that's how we know that we vertically stretch by 3. That tells us we vertically stretch by 3. So I guess we don't usually write vertically stretch, but stretch by 3. Right, once again, that's from going across one and up 3 instead of 1. So stretch by 3. And let's see, do we move left? Yes, we move left 2. And then we go up 1. All right, so putting those 3 transformations into our equation, we have f of x is equal to, let's see, we stretch by 3, so that's going to be our a value, 3 multiplied by, let's see, radical or the square root of x. We went left 2, so we say x plus 2. And then up 1, we're going to write plus 1. All right, domain here. Let's see, we have, negative 2. The furthest left our graph goes is -2. The furthest right our graph goes would be positive infinity. Our range, the furthest down our graph goes, lowest our graph goes is, that'd be at 1. And does not stop increasing, right? So it does not stop getting any higher, so it goes to infinity.